we're going to separate our eggs using Mr. Sniffles. First, you break your egg into Mr. Sniffles. And there he is. Then, we will hold him over our container and let me see if I can do this better. It's brilliant. Isn't that brilliant?
Brilliant.
So then you swirl it around a little bit, get the other little bits out, and see how that is?
Yep.
And that's
how
and then you pour your yolk out into your other container wherever you need it. Let's do it one more time for good measure.
Sniffles.
Mr. Sniffles.
Mr. Sniffles.
Mr. Sniffles. Here we go.
Oh! That makes my eyes are watering.
Go.
There, I see the yellow gook trying to come out too.
The yolk, yes, if you break the yolk, then you just enjoy your omelet.
Ah.
And we're done.
Mr. Sniffles.
We love Mr. Sniffles.
And we get the box.